Hi, my name is Dave, and today I will be demonstrating how to install a PayRange laundry kit on a speed queen washer with an ACA control board. To begin with, ensure the machine's power is turned off and then unscrew and lower the control panel. Next, plug the PayRange BluKey into the laundry interface module located on the PayRange laundry kit. Plug the 7-pin flat connector from the PayRange laundry kit into the control board. Ensure the tab at the ends of each flat connector is pointing towards the catch on the board. Disconnect the 12-pin connector from the machine's control board labeled H5 and connect it to the female 12-pin connector from the PayRange laundry kit. Plug the male 12-pin connector from the PayRange laundry kit into the H5 connector on the machine's control board. Locate the 2-pin connector labeled Power on the PayRange laundry kit and plug it into the 2-pin power connector on the control board. If there is already something plugged into this port, simply unplug it and plug the 2-pin connector from the PayRange laundry kit into it instead. The laundry interface module and PayRange BluKey will have the LED light turned on to confirm receiving power. The laundry interface module will have dip switches that need to be configured correctly to ensure proper functionality. If the machine is a washer, dip switch 2 is set to off, or if it's a dryer, dip switch 2 is set to on. If the machine is a washer-dryer combo, dip switch 2 is set to on. Configure the machine by pressing the top 2 buttons simultaneously on the first column to enter manual mode. The display will show rapid. To navigate, use the up and down arrow buttons. Press the arrow up button until PROG is displayed and press start. Continue pressing the arrow up button until PLSE is displayed and then hit start. This value needs to be set at 25 cents. Pushing the start button will move left to right, and the up and down button will increase or decrease the value. Once set to 25, hit start. If pulse N or pulse NOT is displayed, press start and change this value to 192, followed by hitting the start button. When A-type is displayed, change this value to 5 and click start. To return to ready mode, simply click several times on the button with the left arrow symbol until pricing is shown.